Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the difference between either and neither. They may look similar, but these words are used in unique ways that can change the meaning of a sentence entirely. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use either and neither correctly in everyday conversations and avoid common mistakes. So let's dive right in. Either is used when talking about two choices or options. It suggests that one of the two options is possible or true, but not both. We often use either in positive sentences to offer a choice. For example, you can either have pizza or pasta for dinner. This means you have two options, pizza or pasta, and you get to pick one of them. Either you come with us or you stay home. Here again, you have two options, coming with us or staying home, and you can choose one option. We often place either before the first choice and or between the two options. Neither is used when rejecting or denying both options. It suggests that none of the options is true or possible. We use neither in negative sentences to show that both options are not happening or not possible. For example, neither the red shirt nor the blue shirt fits me. This means both the red shirt and the blue shirt do not fit. Not a single one works. I like neither chocolate nor vanilla ice cream. It means I don't like chocolate ice cream and I also don't like vanilla ice cream. Neither option is appealing. We often place neither before the first option and nor between the two options. When you're choosing between two options, for example, if someone asks you, do you want tea or coffee? You can respond with either and say, I'll have either, I like both. Or you can respond with neither and say, neither, thank you, I'm not in the mood for a drink. When you're responding to negative statements, for example, when your friend says, I don't like loud music, you can reply by saying, me neither, if you agree, which means you also don't like loud music. Neither is used to agree with a negative statement that someone else has made. It's a way to say, me too, when both people don't like, want, or do something. Now let's learn how to use neither do I. Use neither do I when you want to agree with someone else's negative statement, a sentence or a statement that has not, don't, can't, etc. It's like saying, I also don't feel that way, or I also don't want that. For example, if someone says, I don't like scary movies, you can respond by saying, neither do I. So you're agreeing that you also don't like scary movies. So if someone says, I can't swim very well, you can also say, neither can I. So you're agreeing with that statement by using neither. You're saying, I also cannot swim, neither can I. Or if someone says, I haven't finished my homework, you say, neither have I, means you're saying you also haven't finished your homework. So to structure sentences like these, you have to start with neither and then add the helping verb. So the structure mirrors the type of verb used in the negative statement that you're agreeing with. Now you can use me neither, or you can also say I don't either. Me neither is a more informal way of saying neither do I, and it's very common in casual conversations. I don't either is also correct and means the same thing as neither do I. You can use it to sound more relaxed. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.